Believe it or not, my intention was never to become a tutor. My intention was literally just to get used to a computer that I bought for the kids for Christmas, and I just wanted to be able to switch it on and do something. So I started going on little community courses that Coleg Llandrillo offered in the community. I had no intention at all of taking it further, but it was surprising within a year and a half I was a tutor on part-time courses.
She's always willing to help individuals and students that are new to a college and which haven't been here before. Even when you're not a student, she's still there, willing to support you, give you references and guide you as well with your careers.
She's just such a highly intelligent and caring person. She lets you grow in your own time, if I can put it that way, because certainly this last year we're all of a very different standard. And she had time to do us all, really, individually as and when needed. She's just a brilliant teacher.
She encourages you. If you want to give something up, she won't let you do it. She will encourage you to do it.
It's such a buzz to see them succeed, and that's what makes day-to-day job for me really worthwhile.
I just want to say thank you, and it's a big, massive, heartfelt thanks. Congratulations. Diolch fawr Sylvia, werth y byd. Diolch.
No, I'm really, really pleased that she's won this award. She deserves it, because she has worked hard for where she's got.
Mae cael chenwebu am rhywbeth fel yn special. Pan nes I glywed be oedd y students wedi dweud, mi nes I grio. Ac oedd cael gwybod bod un o'n nhw wedi cymryd yr amser I gael englyn wedi sgwennu ar ynghyfer I, oedd hynny yn really twtio fi. Ond llai ond diolch iddyn nhw am wneud, a fi'n falch iawn bod nhw wedi gwneud.
I Sylvia, diolch am dy lafur diwyd a'r hwyl fi'n rhan o bob munud. Yr help heb fesur ei hyd, dy ofal fel ffrind hefyd.